closely at your screen right now. If you think this is a high-budget CGI character from a Black Panther movie, you are dead wrong. This is a real human being painted by hand in the middle of tropical island in Africa. Welcome to Craft Art. Today we are unlocking a hidden world that will completely ruin ordinary art galleries for you. We are dropping straight into the Equatorial Guinea Body Painting Festival. Now I know what some of you are thinking, hey, don't you see something like this in your Italy video? Trust me, Europe just to warm up. What happens here in Malabo is raw. It's wild and it's absolutely madness. We have 9 minutes of pure visual adrenaline ahead. Don't blink because you've never seen anything like this. Let's talk about the brutal reality of this festival. It takes place on Baiko Island. It's gorgeous, but the humidity here is around 90%. In Italy, artists work in air-conditioned theater or breezy lakes, but here, this is survival test. Look at the sweat on the model's skin. That's the real canvas. World champion artists fly in from New York, Rome, and Austria, and they immediately create a reality check. They are not just fighting the cloud, they are fighting the elements to turn these local African models into living, breathing deities. Look at how the neon blue particle glows against the deep skin tone. This is pure power. Now let's talk strategy. How their paints not melt off within 5 minutes. Secret is hybrid tactical pigments, professional grade stuff from brands like Krylon, but mixed with local techniques. Pay attention to the specific geometric lines right here. There is a direct connection to the Bowie and Fang tribes. They are talking ancestral folklore stories of jungle spirit and innocent protectors and slashing it onto human flesh with a 21st century twist. This is not a hobby, guys. This is high-stakes storytelling. If you are seeing the sheer level of skill, here drop a fire emoji in the comments right now, because these artists are operating at an Olympic level. I want to challenge my US audience right now. Imagine standing completely naked except for a layer of paint for 10 hours straight in tropical heat, just for the sake of art. Could you do it? Personally, I would lose my mind after hour 2. Let me know in the comments, would you ever volunteer to be a living canvas, and if yes, what animal or mythical creature would you want to be transformed into? I am taking the comments, so make them wide. And while you are down there, smash that hype and like button. Now look at the final result where these models start to move. The art literally comes alive. It changes shape with every muscle's movement. It's 3D, it's 4D, it's hyperdot. Look at this leopard design, the way the spot aligned with the model's spine is genius. When the sun hits those metallic undertones against the backdrop of the African rainforest, it creates a visual contrast that Hollywood wished they could recreate without computers. This is why Malabo is quietly becoming the creative capital of Central Africa. It's a total vibe shift from the Europe scene. The Equatorial Guinea Bodybuilding Festival proves one thing: art has absolutely no boundary. It does not matter if you are from New York, London or Malabo. True creativity speaks a universal language. We are taking this channel global, and I want you along for the ride. If you want to see more high-octane culture deep dives that you won't find on mainstream TVs, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Stay hyped, stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.